What is the scientific method for homeschool science? Imagine you are about to explore a fascinating question about the natural world. How do scientists figure out answers to questions like why plants grow toward light or how different liquids mix? The process they use is called the scientific method, and it is a step-by-step approach that helps ensure discoveries are based on evidence and careful reasoning. Understanding this method can make science experiments more meaningful and fun for homeschooling students. The first step in the scientific method is to identify a clear question or problem. For example, a student might wonder whether plants grow faster with more sunlight or less. Once the question is defined, the next step is to do background research. This involves gathering information from books, reputable websites, or scientific articles to understand what is already known about the topic. This helps in forming a solid foundation for the experiment. After collecting background information, the next step is to formulate a hypothesis. A hypothesis is an educated guess or prediction about what the student expects to happen. For example, plants that receive more sunlight will grow taller than plants that receive less sunlight. The hypothesis should be specific and testable. Following the hypothesis, the student designs an experiment to test their prediction. This involves planning how to control variables, such as ensuring all plants are the same type, using the same amount of water, and only varying the amount of sunlight. The experiment should include a control group, which is not exposed to the experimental condition, to provide a baseline for comparison. During the experiment, data is collected systematically. This might include measuring plant height at regular intervals or recording observations about leaf color. Accurate and detailed data collection is essential for analyzing results later. After gathering enough data, the student analyzes the information to determine whether the results support or contradict the hypothesis. The final step is to draw conclusions based on the data. If the results support the hypothesis, the student can consider the hypothesis confirmed, but if not, they may need to revise their hypothesis or experiment. Sharing findings through reports or presentations helps reinforce understanding and encourages scientific communication. Throughout the entire process, it is important to stay objective, avoid bias, and repeat experiments if necessary to verify results. The scientific method provides a reliable framework for exploring questions about the natural world, making science both a systematic and exciting journey of discovery.